Okay, here's a quick update. I took the knobs off, got to clean them. I put a new back plate on. Okay, first I did all the caps. Cleaned the board, did all the caps. Put a new a PLL chip on because the glue was so bad that it ate off a leg. It's a wonder it even worked. It was just barely hanging on, I guess. So when I pulled out the PLL chip to take the glue out and clean it, the leg just came off. So I put a brand new chip. I bought a bunch of these 8719 chips. Okay, recapped it. Put another transformer in it because the other one was all grungy looking. You know how these have the vent right here, all the stuff collects right here. And so I put a new one in here. The other one worked, this one works, it just looks better. Okay, I cleaned the frame out, cleaned it all up. I compounded the transistor there. Everything's nice and clean. Got a new back plate on here off my other radio. It's a lot nicer. I'm going to put AM power right here. AM power knob like this for your AM carrier. Okay, so I cleaned the AC/DC switch because it was kind of dirty, so I cleaned it. And yeah, so new back plate. It's the same year, September of '83, I think. 88. Yeah, 9/8, 9th month, 88. So it's the same basic year as this one. Luckily the sides are not ate up. Put a new cap in there for the power supply. Nice new Nichicon. I took this out so I could spray all the switches. Okay, with D5 there first, and then you spray the fader F5. And I did all of the potentiometers. Okay, the face skin's coming. I'll probably get it tomorrow. And I got 2 brand new meters, white face meters, so it'll be looking a lot better than what it is now. Anyway, that one's stuck. I could probably unstick it, but sometimes it's a 50-50 chance of not being able to do that. So I got 2 brand new meters. And the free counter module, it still needs to be recapped. I'm thinking of trying to do it, but I might just leave it because it's a working module and it's a double-sided board, and you know how them double-sided boards are. The solder has to flow through both sides. Yeah, but that one works. Okay, so that's the radio. Now, as for the covers, the cover on these had a chip on it. Now I was thinking about doing a black carbon fiber on it because of that. It'd make it look a lot better. And for me, the carbon fiber is only like $5 a roll, I think, or something like that. So, what do you think of the carbon fiber idea? I've done it before, and it looks badass, I think. The speaker and the cover, both covers. I just carbon fiber it. So, okay, that's the update on the radio for right now. Base is coming in. I got the meters. I got the thing there with the lid on it. And yeah, I've already done a bunch of work to it right now. Needs a new face though. Face is coming tomorrow, I believe. Okay. Okay, don't worry about the pre-counter doing that. That's my camera not syncing right. Okay. Stable. Audio. It's on AM right now. AM. Lower.
Hey, good on you. 9:49. You enjoy that barbecue there, Parker. Great to hear you on the band, mate. Thank you very much for the call, right? Great to hear you, Roger.
Clarifier is not clipped. It's normal stock. Everything's stock. All recapped. You just gotta strap these wires back. Recap the pre-counter. Okay, these lights were super bright, and now let me turn the lights off. Here. Okay. They look blown out from the camera, but they're... Oh yeah, that's nice. Now I had a problem with the... when you put LEDs and everything, the channel selector glows. You heard of that. But also, these are glowing. So, I put diodes on the 3 hots that do those. I put a diode in, and I put a diode in there. Now when you turn it off, it goes off. No more glow, see? No glow. Turn it on, everything's working. Power output, audio, 1, 2, audio. That's on the meter on the radio. About 16, 17 watts. AM. I like the meters. Okay, AM, audio, 10 watts, upper, audio, yep, that's the same as lower. The other transformer is all laid up, so I'll put another one in there. And the transmit light comes on now. Audio. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. That fade out on the receive is normal. It's normal with LEDs. Okay, that's good, did it? No glow. There it is. Perfect. Clock works. Recounter works. Let me turn the light back on. Okay, so it's nice and clean now. New PLL chip. All the caps. Better transformer. Cleaned it up. Pre-counter, recapped the pre-counter. It's all nice and clean in there. So there it is. All I gotta do now is put the face on and put the new face on it and get the carbon fiber. It's coming pretty soon. And then I'll wire up a D104 for it, and that's it. Okay, so when I turn it on, see how bright those are? Okay, now let me turn the lights off and I'll show you what's happening here. Okay, so when I turn the lights off, it's still glowing. Okay, so I put a diode in it to stop it from glowing, and then it cut the voltage down to where the numbers aren't that bright. They're only this bright. Well, I mean, now it's at full brightness because I put a diode in, and it isn't the right diode. So what I'm going to do, and the other diode, this one here that I got just for this specific purpose, it works, but the numbers dim way down, and it isn't the same brightness as those numbers. So what I'm going to do, since the diode isn't working, some do, some don't. Some radios it works perfect, some don't. Some need a relay. And that's what I'm going to do now. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to mount this relay right here and then wire it up to the 12 volt source right there, because this diode isn't cutting, it's cutting it down. It's not working right as a diode, so I'm going to have to go relay. So I'm going to mount the relay right here like that and make sure nothing touches, and then I'm going to wire up the wires correctly and to that 12 volt where that diode's going right there. And when you turn the radio off, no glow. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do now. Yep, I'm almost there. Got the white meters in. Yes, that's the same brightness as that, but as you can see, it's glowing. It's not supposed to glow, and there is no way around it. I have to do it this way. I'm just going to have to do it this way because the normal way isn't working. Okay. Okay, there it is. Relay, ground, resistor for the meter lights, ground, going to ground from the relay, hot, going to the original spot where the indicator went. Now the indicator goes through the relay when you turn the radio on. Now let me turn the lights off and do the final test. I think I've already tested it once. Okay, as you can see, no glow at all. Alright, there. Numbers, free counter numbers are that bright, and it's the same brightness. Now, let me turn it off, and there it is. No glow. Okay. So that's done. Success. No glow. Okay. And that's how you do it without the glow. And that's because when you put LEDs in the meters, everything glows because of the way this radio is built. It isn't built like a 148. There's still power going, a very minimal amount with regular light bulbs. The regular light bulbs take the brunt. Now when you put LEDs in, it changes it to where you have to do it this way. Sometimes the diode method works, sometimes it don't, and this time it didn't, so I had to do the relay. So the relay is glued in here with the E6000. So it's done. Basically the radio is now done. Other than the carbon fiber, I got to put a new speaker in there, and put the new sticker on the speaker, and I need to put a jack like this, a new one on that speaker. That's the one that goes with this radio. Okay, so that's it. It's basically done. These diodes didn't work. Like, this is the one that I got specifically. He sent me to do that, but some radios work that way, some don't. Okay, it's done. There it is. So sticker on it. I'm just waiting for the I gotta wait for a speaker, and I'm waiting on the carbon fiber, and then that's when you'll see the completed radio. Okay, the radio is done. Let's see if I can get somebody. CQDX, this is Boat Anchor CB radio repair here. 888 Central Cal, Burberry. Now I already made 2 contacts, and they said I was on frequency. Let's see, 38. CQDX, how about it? DX Land. CQDX, this is 888 Boat Anchor CB radio repair here on a Cobra 2000, Burberry. Well, CQDX, this is a Cobra 2000. Can anybody hear me out there? Very, very. Yeah, how about it, Alabama? You got California here. 888 Central Cal, Burberry. Kind of going in and out. DX Land, CQDX. You got 888 Boat Anchor CB radio repair here, Burberry. Kind of dead right now. Heck, I was just on it about 2 minutes ago and made 2 contacts back east, but On frequency on AM.
I mean, the only thing I done was put this new mic on it. Man, it's working good. I mean,
Yeah, there's some people out there now.
like I don't even need to have them come here. Hey, run off the toxicology bucket mouth and get in there with some nuts. 918, 260 North Carolina. I'm on the mail.
Yeah, I don't think there's any way I can talk to them. I ain't got no power. I noticed I got this thing. I got this voice lock straight up and down and did all my tuning with it straight up and down. So. Some people are off because they got clip clarifiers. This one is not clipped. CQDX, CQDX. This is Boat Anchor CB radio repair. 888 Big. How about that radio in Georgia? You got the radio in California.
Hello, radio in California. Radio in California. 332, Atlanta, Georgia.
Yeah, 332, Atlanta, Georgia. Yeah, this is 888 Central Cal Boat Anchor CB radio repair here. Just showing off a radio here for everybody, or for one person. In the Philippines, baby.
We heard Triple Eight. They heard Triple Eight. Atlanta, Georgia.
Yeah, this is 888 Boat Anchor CB radio here, baby. Well, there you go. I mean, that's the third person I've talked to. So there you go. It is a working 2000 rebuilt. Break. Okay, here's the speaker. It's done. Brand new cord. And polished it up. The wrap, everything. Okay, anybody on here? Now this is a better speaker than that old 1978 speaker. Says Uniden on it. 8 ohm. Taiwan, still works, but you said you wanted a new speaker, so I got one. Yeah, it was only $6. 4 ohm, nice. It isn't paper. It's not paper like this. It's foam, and yeah, that sort of like a car speaker, basically. Got a lot more bassier tones to it. Nobody on here though. There's somebody out there, but anyway, I think you'll be highly impressed with the difference of the speaker. That was all tinny. You know how a Cobra sounds mobile. It's the same speaker that's in the 148 here, basically. And yeah, they're kind of tinny and stuff, but so yeah, it's got a way better speaker in it now. Okay, so that's the speaker. Now to box the speaker up, get the D104, get it shined up and boxed up, and then it'll be ready to send.
Bumping a lot around.
Okay, here's the boxes. There's the radio. I labeled it left side,
We had a little
top,
bit of interruption of service, and I missed a bunch
front,
of comments.
right, back. On the bottom, I wrote bottom. Here's the speaker right here.
What they're doing,
So,
they're gonna get killed. Please don't die.
here's the
Please don't
speaker.
die.
It's all nice and bubble wrapped. Radio 2.
That guy.
And
Slow down, like.
and then here's the D104 right here. So what you see there is basically how I'm going to put it in the box. I'm going to put packing in the big box and then drop these boxes around in and put packing around the boxes. Open this. There's a well, you can get to it from right
Bad
here.
service, and that is what you get.
I got a card right here.
I mean, it's rough. It's rough.
QSL card, I guess, postcard. So this came from this guy here.
4 to 3 lane highways, you have to go 70 miles an hour.
It was the stickers for the D104, the head and the base. So I put them on. I polished the D104 up. I polished it up, cleaned them up, and then I put the stickers on the head and the base. So that's done. But there is a QSL card right here, in here. Okay, so there it is. It's done. It's finished.
He's okay.
It's a work of art. For me, it took about a month.
Cannonball Run yesterday.
I'm watching video, Buff Del Campo video here, live.
Do they have video? Oh,
But
my gosh,
yeah, there it is.
losing my
And
teeth.
I'll put it in a big box, wrap everything
Thou
up,
shalt not roll the
and then
dice.
that's it.
Sometimes you have to.
Break. Okay, here it is. It's all boxed up, ready to go. Pretty big box.
That'd be about
Elbows length.
No, we'd have to extend it.
Elbows length.
Yeah, I don't know.
27. Well, I know that
Elon
is.
says his dart is almost fully stripped of
That's
rust.
what it says anyway, but
And maybe 5 dings. That's awesome.
So
large
it's
box.
Or no, wait, almost fully stripped. 0 rust so far.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
Strip the
there it
thing,
is.
0
It's all
rust
ready
so
for
far.
shipment.
That's awesome.
Breaker.
Yeah, that's what I would expect out there.